Hey guys, so if you're looking for alternatives to the Spotify for the iOS, so the first one is YouTube Music. Now, YouTube Music combines traditional music streaming with music videos and has a vast library. I probably you heard about it, but you can check out the YouTube Music. Maybe it's going to be beneficial to you. Then also, the sound quality maxes out 256 kilobytes per second, so that's something to be aware of. Also, another one to be aware of is SoundCloud. So a lot of music and audio library with more than 200 million files. But you don't have you have a lot of fresh artists here. You don't have well-known established artists here. Another one is also Deezer. So you can check this one out. Now with the Deezer, you have over 120 million songs. Has a song catcher like Shazam to identify songs. Free version has shuffle-only mode on mobile with no track skipping in certain playlists and no offline mode on a free tier. Now, also you have Amazon Music. That's another one that you can check out. So maybe you would like that too, and maybe that would be also beneficial for you. And this one is also very popular. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.